Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're checking out 3 Hot Wheels Flames cars from the 2020 PK. So smash a big thumbs up and let's get straight into it. First up, it's car 2 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Flames series, the 57 Plymouth Fury. Take a look. It is a recolor on this car for 2020. We first saw it in a gloss white, and now we've got it in this metal flake blue. Check it out. I think this blue is definitely much better than the white. Let me know what you think in the comments below. You can see we've got those orange chrome there on the DD8 wheels. Very nice. We've got the yellow tint window, black interior. We've got the chrome base there, nice and bright. Plymouth decal on the side. Obviously lots of flames on this car, and the number 57 because it's the 57 Plymouth Fury. And you see we've got the Goodyear symbol on the front there as well. Very nice looking car. Okay, next up, it's the 68 Shelby GT500 car, 5 of 10 in that Hot Wheels Flame Series for 2020. This is the 3rd release for the Shelby in 2020. It's also a Target Red edition, and we first saw it in blue, but I think this purple color is pretty cool. Same wheels, those 5-spoke wheels in chrome, a black interior, tinted windows there, and those yellow and orange flames on this one. Man, I think it looks pretty cool on the hood. Got that black base there, pretty heavy car as well for the size of it. Let me know what you think in the comments below of this pretty cool car. Make sure you are a subscriber here at the Hot Wheels Garage so you don't miss unboxing all these brand new castings and their recolors. Now last up, car 8 of 10 in that Hot Wheels Flame series for 2020 is the 69 Dodge Charger 500. We saw this one released in a metal flake purple color, but now we've got it in this metal flake red color. Very nice looking car. PR5 wheels with the gold chrome rims, that white and gold flame work on the side and the hood. Dodge symbol on the rear there, got the yellow tinted windows, black interior, nice big bright chrome base. Pretty cool car, and it is a track star, so when we test it out on the track, I'm hoping this one goes pretty well. Let me know what you think of this 69 Dodge Charger 500 in the comments below.